Hello everyone, welcome to the brand new series where we will dive deep into quantitative aptitude questions from UPSC CSAT previous year papers. We will topic wise cover questions from 2016 to 2025. Okay, and in this session we will cover questions from number system. See, the number system is very important for CSAT exam. Many questions are asked from this topic. Okay, but before that, let's understand why quantitative aptitude is important for CSAT paper. Okay. First of all, it covers a major portion of the CSAT paper. Significant number of questions are asked from this section. Sometimes even 30 to 40% questions are from this section. Okay. And the questions can be from arithmetic, ratio proportion, percentage, okay, number system, profit loss, and more. Second, scoring and objective nature. This section is scoring and easy. Though the questions are easy, but they are tricky. But if your concepts are strong, then this section is the easiest to score. Okay. Next is essential for clearing the cutoff. Right. Even though CSAT is qualifying in nature, sometime even the serious aspirants fall short by just a few marks just because of this section. Okay. So mastery in this section ensures you comfortably cross the 33% cutoff. Okay, that means 66 marks out of 200. Now let's see how this series PYQ series can be beneficial for you. Okay, first of all, you get to know what are the important topics, what type of questions are asked, and you can prepare similar type of question. Okay, now this series can be very beneficial for those who are appearing for the first time, and it will save you a lot of time. Okay, you will be familiar with the type of questions because the questions asked in the CSAT exam are fundamentally different from any other exam. Okay, the questions asked in any other exam, okay, they are direct questions. You can say they are formula based or calculation based questions, but the questions in the CSAT exam are you can say more logical, or where you need to identify certain patterns, sequences, arrange the digits to make certain numbers. Okay, so overall you get to know what kind of questions, what type of questions are asked, and you can prepare similar questions. This will save you a lot of time. Next, it will also help you, it will help you focus only what is really important. It will boost your confidence with real exam practice. Okay, PYQ help you revise and check your preparation quickly. Overall, it will make your study plan smarter and more focused. Now let's see the questions. Question number 1 is, this question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2016, and the question is, how many numbers are there between 100 and 300 which either begin with or end with 2? Okay, first let's write down the number which end with 2, and these number can be 102, 112, 122, so on to up to 192. So how many number are these? These are 10 in numbers. Now let's write down the numbers that start with 2, and these can be 201, 202 up to 299. So how many number are these? 99. One more number is there which starts with 2, and that is 200. Okay. So how many number are these in total? 110. So Answer is A here. Now let's see question number 2. This question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2016. If R and S are different integers both divisible by 5, then which of the following is not necessarily true? We need to identify the statement which is not necessarily true here. Okay. First is R minus S is R minus S is divisible by 5. Second is R plus S is divisible by 10. Third is R into S is divisible by 25. And fourth is R square plus S square is divisible by 5. Okay. Now to solve this question, let's randomly take two numbers which are divisible by 5. Let's take 25 and 15. Okay. Now R minus S is divisible by 5. 20 minus 15 makes 5 and it is divisible by 5. So statement first is true. Second, 20 plus 15, it will make 35. But this is not divisible by 10. So this is not necessarily true. Okay. Next is R into S is divisible by 25. Let's see. 20 into 15, it will be 300. Okay. And 300 is divisible by 25. Okay. Right. So this statement is true. Next is R square plus S square is divisible by 5. Now the square of 20 is 400 and square of 15 is 225, which makes 625, and this is also divisible by 5. Okay. Right. So answer is B here. Next question is question number 3, and the question is 4-digit numbers are to be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4, and none of these 4 digits are repeated in any manner. Okay. Then there are some more conditions. Further, 2 and 3 are not to immediately follow each other. Second condition is 1 is not to be immediately followed by 3, and third is fourth is not to appear at the last place, and fourth is 1 is not to appear at the first place. So the number cannot have 2, 3 together. That means neither 3 can follow 2 nor 2 can follow 3, and 4 cannot appear at the last place, so the number cannot end with 4. Right. One more condition is that there cannot be any such number where 1 is followed by 3. Right. So let's try to find these numbers. First, let's try to place, since we cannot have 1 at first place, so let's try to place other digits at first place. Okay. So let's see. Let's have 2 at first place. Then the number can be 2, 1, 4, 3. Okay. And 2, 4, 3, 1. If we have 3 at first place, then the number can be 3, 1, 4, 2. Okay. And 3, 4, 1, 2. Right. And one more, 3, 4, 2, 1. Now let's have 4 at first place, then the number can be 4, 3, 1, 2. Right. Any other number is not possible. Okay. That meets all these conditions. So how many number are these? 2, 2, 3 and 1. Total 6. Total 6. Okay. Okay. So these are 6 in numbers, right? So right answer is 6 here. Let's move to question number 4. Certain 3-digit numbers following characteristics. All the 3 digits are different. The number is divisible by 7. Second condition. The number on reversing the digits is also divisible by 7. Okay. So how many such 3-digit numbers are there? Right. Suppose we have the suppose the number is x, y, z. Now if we reverse the digits, then the number will be z, y, x. If we write this number in the expanded form, it will be 100x plus 10y plus z. Similarly, it will be 100z plus 10y plus x. Okay. Now here we use the concept, if two numbers are divisible by a third number, then their subtraction, okay, the resultant obtained by subtracting one number from the other number will still be divisible by the third number, right? So since this number is divisible by 7, we can write it in the form of a multiple of 7. Let's say this number is in the form of 7a. Similarly, let's say this is in the form of 7b. Let's give it a number. It's number 1. This equation is number 2. Now if we subtract this as equation 2 from equation number 1, it will be 99x minus 99z is equal to 7a minus 7b, and it will be 99x minus z is equal to 7a minus b. Okay. Now 99 cannot be equal to 7. So x minus z has to be equal to 7. Okay. Now we can have these digits as either either 2 or 9 or 1 and 8. Okay. Right. So now the number can be in the form of 1, 8 or 2, 9. Now for this number to be divisible by 7, we should have a carry of 2. Okay, from the number formed by 100th digit and 10th digit. Okay, when we divide the number formed by when we form a number by 100th digit and 10th digit and then divide by 7, then we should get a carry 2 here. Only then this number will be divisible by 7. Okay, so let's see, we have 5 here, sorry 6. Okay, now 7 to the 14, we will have a 2 here and it will be 28. So this number will be divisible by 7. So one possible combination for one possible number is 168. Similarly, let's see this number. Okay, so the number formed, if we divide the number formed by the 100th digit, okay, and the 10th digit, we should get a carry of 4 here. Okay, and that is possible only if we have 5 here. So we have the number 259. So first number is this, second is this, and we can also say that third number is 861 and fourth number is 9952. So all these numbers will be divisible by 7. Okay, so right answer is here, is B here. Now let's see question number 5. This question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2017. how many numbers are there between 99 and 1000 such that the digit 8 occupies the units place? Okay. So since this is a 3-digit number, okay. Now we have 8 at units place. Now we need to fill these two places. We can have only at hundreds place we can have only digits from 1 to 9. We cannot have 0 because no number starts with 0. Okay. So we have 9 choice options here. Okay, we can have any digit from these 9 digits. Okay, similarly here we can have any of 10 digits from 0 to 9, and here we have only one choice. So the number will be, how many numbers will be? It will be, there will be 19 such numbers. So answer is C here. Okay, so that's all for today. So if you like the session, subscribe our channel and share this session with your friends. Thank you.